In a single-mother household with 3 daughters, the family dynamic becomes uniquely complex as one parent must balance multiple roles at once. The mother acts not only as the primary provider, but also the emotional anchor, disciplinarian, and mentor, often juggling financial pressures with the demands of raising children at different stages of development. Each daughter has her own personality, needs, and challenges which can create moments of conflict, competition, and misunderstanding within the home. At the same time, the daughters may depend heavily on one another for support, forming strong sibling bonds while also sharing responsibilities that might typically be divided between 2 parents. This structure requires resilience, cooperation, and emotional maturity from everyone involved. Despite the struggles, such as limited time, financial strain, and mother's constant balancing act, this family often develops a deep sense of unity, strength, and empathy as they learn to navigate life together with love and resourcefulness.
Bilang isang single mom, lahat ako ang nagawa, nagtatrabaho, kahit magkumpuni sa bahay, ako pa rin kasi ako lang yung maaasahan na aking anak. Pero mga katulong ko din naman sila sa gawaing bahay. Yun lang.